Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the screen lock protection on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the settings icon. Tap on it to enter the settings. Okay, in settings, scroll down, find the option called the security, this one, and tap on it. And here scroll down, find the option called screen lock and select it. And here we can select two types of screen lock. We can select between pattern or pin. Select the one you like. For example, I'm gonna select pattern. And now we can draw the pattern we want to use to unlock our watch. So I'm gonna draw this one, then draw it again to confirm. And once you're done, it should say automatic on the screen lock, which means that the screen lock is enabled. And the watch will lock the screen if it detects that you took it off. So basically, if I press and hold my finger on the sensor on the back of the watch, hold it there for the second or two, then take it off from the sensor, it should detect that I took the watch off and it should lock the screen. So let's try again. Let's take it off. And now the screen is locked, as you can see, and we need to enter the pattern to unlock it, like this. So that's how you enable the screen lock. And to disable it, simply open the settings again, scroll down, tap on security, scroll down, find the screen lock option, tap on it, enter the current pattern to confirm that it's you, and then select the none option to disable it and tap on the check mark. And it will say screen lock off, and at this point the screen lock is disabled. And that's how you enable or disable the screen lock on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.